Hey there, gearheads. Welcome to a new era of automotive innovation. Jay Leno here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of electric vehicles, or EVs for short. These aren't just cars, they're a revolution on wheels. Now I know what you're thinking. Jay, you're a classic car guy. What's the deal with these newfangled electric contraptions? Well, let me tell you, the world of EVs is as thrilling as it is groundbreaking. Well, I'm here to tell you that EVs offer a driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Imagine the instant torque, the silent acceleration, and the seamless integration of cutting-edge technology. We'll be comparing these battery-powered machines to their gasoline-guzzling counterparts, exploring everything from acceleration and handling to range and environmental impact. The differences are more profound than you might think. Buckle up, folks, because the future of driving is here, and it's electric. The advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and vehicle design are nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car enthusiast or just curious about the latest automotive technology, this essay will provide a comprehensive overview of the EV driving experience. From the sleek lines of the latest models to the innovative features that set them apart, there's something for everyone. So let's pop the hood and take a closer look at what makes these electric wonders tick. We'll delve into the mechanics, the engineering marvels, and the environmental benefits that make EVs a compelling choice for the future. One of the most exciting aspects of EVs is the technology packed into every vehicle. From advanced driver assistance systems to state-of-the-art infotainment, these cars are as smart as they are fast. And let's not forget about the infrastructure that's rapidly evolving to support this electric revolution. Charging stations are becoming more ubiquitous, making long-distance travel in an EV more feasible than ever before. Imagine taking a road trip with your family in an electric SUV, knowing that you're reducing your carbon footprint while enjoying a smooth, quiet ride. The future of travel is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so sustainably. Behind the scenes, engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicle technology. From improving battery life to enhancing charging speeds, the innovations are coming fast and furious. And it's not just about the cars themselves. The entire ecosystem, including renewable energy sources like solar-powered charging stations, is playing a crucial role in making the electric dream a reality. So whether you're navigating city streets, cruising down the highway, or exploring off-road trails, there's an electric vehicle designed to meet your needs. The versatility and adaptability of EVs are truly remarkable. Join me as we explore this electrifying world and discover why the future of driving is not just bright, it's electric. Stay tuned, gearheads, because this journey is just getting started. One of the first things you'll notice when you get behind the wheel of an EV is the instant torque. In simple terms, torque is the force that rotates an object, like a car's wheels. Electric motors deliver 100% of their torque right from the get-go. That means lightning-fast acceleration off the line. Imagine this, you're at a stoplight next to a rumbling V8 muscle car. The light turns green, and you both hit the gas. But here's the kicker, the EV will surge forward with an immediacy that will leave that old-school muscle car in the dust. It's a truly exhilarating experience. EVs have a secret weapon when it comes to handling, a low center of gravity. You see, those heavy battery packs are usually located low in the vehicle's chassis. This gives EVs a planted, stable feel, especially when cornering. Imagine taking a sharp turn in a traditional car. You can feel the body roll, the weight shifting. Now imagine that same turn in an EV. The car stays remarkably flat, hugging the road with confidence. Add in the near-silent operation and lack of engine vibration, and you've got yourself one smooth ride. Here's a cool EV trick, regenerative braking. When you hit the brakes in an EV, the electric motor actually reverses, becoming a generator. This process captures kinetic energy that would normally be lost as heat and sends it back to the battery, extending your range. Think of it like this. Every time you brake, you're putting a little bit of energy back into the battery, like a savings account for your electric miles. Plus, regenerative braking can actually enhance the driving experience. It provides a more natural and intuitive braking feel, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Section 5. Range Anxiety Fact or Fiction. Now let's address the elephant in the room, range anxiety. This term has been thrown around a lot in discussions about electric vehicles, and it refers to the fear that your EV might run out of battery before you reach your destination. It's the fear of running out of juice before reaching your destination. This concern has been one of the major hurdles for potential EV buyers. While it's true that EVs generally have a shorter range than gas-powered cars on a single charge, technology is rapidly improving. Battery technology has seen significant advancements over the past few years, leading to longer ranges and faster charging times. Today's EVs boast impressive ranges, with many models easily exceeding 200 miles on a single charge. Some high-end models even offer ranges of over 300 miles, which is more than enough for most daily commutes and even some long-distance trips. Plus, the charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, with charging stations popping up everywhere, from shopping malls to highway rest stops. This means that finding a place to charge your EV is becoming easier and more convenient. Fast charging stations are also becoming more common, allowing drivers to recharge their vehicles in a fraction of the time it used to take. In some cases, you can get an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. This makes long road trips in an EV much more feasible and enjoyable. You can take a break, grab a coffee, and be back on the road in no time. So, while range anxiety might have been a legitimate concern in the past, it's becoming less and less of an issue. With the advancements in battery technology and the expansion of the charging infrastructure, driving an electric vehicle is becoming more practical and convenient than ever before. The future of transportation is electric, and as these improvements continue, the fear of running out of charge will become a thing of the past. So, is range anxiety fact or fiction? It's quickly becoming fiction. Section 6. Keeping it clean, maintenance and efficiency. Let's talk shop, folks. One of the major advantages of EVs over their gas-guzzling counterparts is their simplicity. EVs have far fewer moving parts than traditional combustion engines. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no timing belts to worry about. This translates to significantly lower maintenance costs over the life of the vehicle. Plus, electric motors are incredibly efficient at converting energy into motion, meaning you'll spend less on fuel and more on enjoying the open road. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Section 7. Mother Nature's favorite ride. Speaking of the environment, let's talk about the elephant in the room: emissions. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them a much cleaner alternative to gas-powered cars. This is a game changer for air quality, especially in urban areas. Now, some folks argue that the electricity used to charge EVs still comes from power plants that may burn fossil fuels. And that's a fair point. However, even when you factor in the electricity generation process, EVs still have a significantly lower carbon footprint than gas-powered vehicles. Section 8. The future is electric. Are you ready to plug in? The world is rapidly changing, and one of the most exciting shifts is happening in the automotive industry. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are no longer just a concept of the future. They are here, and they are transforming the way we think about driving. So there you have it, folks. The age of electric vehicles is upon us, and it's bringing with it a host of benefits that are hard to ignore. Electric vehicles offer a unique and compelling driving experience with instant torque, nimble handling, and a quiet, smooth ride. Imagine the thrill of accelerating from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, all without the roar of an engine. It's a different kind of power, one that feels both futuristic and exhilarating. They're also more efficient, require less maintenance, and are better for the environment. With fewer moving parts, EVs are less prone to the wear and tear that plagues traditional combustion engines. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and more time enjoying the open road. Plus, with zero tailpipe emissions, you're contributing to a cleaner, greener planet every time you drive. Now, I know change can be a little scary, especially when it comes to something as personal as our cars. We've grown accustomed to the familiar hum of a gasoline engine, the routine of filling up at the pump, and the comfort of knowing exactly what to expect from our vehicles. But trust me on this one, folks. The transition to electric vehicles is not just a trend, it's a revolution. And like all revolutions, it comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. The key is to embrace the change and see it as an opportunity to be part of something bigger than ourselves. The future of driving is electric, and it's a future worth getting excited about. Imagine a world where our cities are quieter, our air is cleaner, and our dependence on fossil fuels is a thing of the past. This is the promise of electric vehicles, and it's a vision that is becoming more tangible every day. So the next time you're in the market for a new car, take a moment to consider an electric vehicle. Do your research, read reviews, and talk to current EV owners. You'll find that the community is passionate and supportive, eager to share their experiences and help newcomers navigate the transition. I encourage you to give an EV a spin, visit a dealership, take a test drive, and feel the difference for yourself. Pay attention to the smooth acceleration, the quiet cabin, and the advanced technology that makes driving an EV a truly modern experience. You might just be surprised at how much you enjoy the ride. The future is electric, and it's a journey worth embarking on. Until next time, keep those engines revving and remember the road ahead is bright and electric.